Do you want to learn Tagalog or Cebuano? You're welcome in my class. I am teacher Zoe, 25 years old from the Philippines, and also I am a licensed professional teacher. I help students learn Tagalog or Cebuano, whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or advanced level. I teach to improve these four skills: your reading, writing, speaking, and listening skills for better communication and useful learning, whether it is for your school, career, travel, or for your special someone. I am glad to help you in your language learning. Halina't matuto kasama si Teacher Zoe. Ali na og makatuon. Uban si Teacher Zoe. Come and learn with Teacher Zoe.